file list. Whatever the pictures you have saved, whatever the file you have saved, if you want to open that, you have to just click on that pictures and click on plus sign. It will go directly into your whiteboard software. Next one is a table options. You can select any type of table you want, like this table that I'm selecting. You have to just select option. You have to just click on select option. You can put anywhere on the board. If you want to insert the column and if you want to insert the row, there are the options. First option is this one. You will get 3 options like insert column from left, insert column from right, delete column. So I want from right. These are the rows options you will get. Insert row above, insert row below and delete below. I want the above one. So this is your table. So the special thing about this one, if I'm writing on this table, whatever I'm writing, the table will adjust. Whatever and whenever I'm writing, the table will adjust itself. Another one option here is a geometry set. 5 types of geometry shapes. So, well, this one. This is the projector. I want the 90-degree angle. So what I have to do, like just click on this one. Click on a 90-degree, exact 90-degree. Here you can able to drag it, like this is the 90-degree basically. There are 3 angles you will get. First is this one. Second is arc and third is angle. Next one you will get this projector. These geometrical sets you will get here. Another one is a ports option. These are the connectivity options. If you want to switch the laptop through HDMI, you can directly switch. Next option is a mind map options. Here you can, like if I'm writing here actually, there are the parts like primary, secondary and tertiary. If I want, I can add that table as well. Another columns. You can add as per your need. Next option is a WPS options. Whatever the PDF and PPT you have been shared, if you want to open directly on that board, you can directly do that. Next option is a video options. Basically, there is no video, but if you want to open any type of video like a YouTube video or the screen recording, you are able to do that. Next option here is web search. Here you can able to search anything, any type of topic over here. You can adjust it as well. Like if you want the minimum one, if you want the maximum one, you can adjust as per your need. Next option here is a poll kit option. In that poll kit options, you will get the voting subject. So what you have to do, you can write any type of voting subject over here. There are 2 options. You can give the options. Then it will generate the QR code. So user has to scan the QR code and whatever option they select, they can select that option easily. And in the next step, you will get all the answers over here. Next option is a stopwatch. For the stopwatch, you have to set a particular time. For example, I'm setting the 3 hours for the subject, for each subject. After 3 hours, it will automatically sound up. There's also one thing I want to show you. Like, if I'm writing anything, like heart, and I want to select that word, there are options, color options. You can change the color accordingly. Okay. Next option is a search option. You can directly search that particular word. Here you can see all these things, like these images you can see over here. I want this image on my board, so I have to just click on this image for 3 seconds. Not a drag, not a copy paste. So I have to just click on 3 seconds. That image, it will directly go to my whiteboard software. You can see. You can maximize or minimize the size as well. There are clone options also. There are options that is you can annotate that image as well, like that.